Earthquakes are so unpredictable, as you've recently found out. Hi, I'm Brian Parsons with the Parsons Real Estate Team, and yes, earthquakes are very unpredictable, but with a few simple steps, you can get your home safe again. Let me go through 3 simple things you can do in your home today to be prepared for the next earthquake. First, it's very critical to know where your gas shutoff valve is located. Once you locate it, tie a wrench to it so you never have to worry about, is my wrench there? Did I lose it? So if you ever smell the gas, hear hissing, go ahead and get that thing turned off right away to not cause more damage or a fire. Second, make sure all your heavy items such as bookcases, TVs, picture frames are securely fastened to the wall. During an earthquake, these items become projectiles and cause damage to you and your home. Lastly, have a well-stocked emergency kit. This kit should have water, non-perishable food, flashlights, batteries, a first aid kit, copies of important documents. Keep it somewhere that's easily accessible so when that earthquake does happen, you can get to it. If you're like me, do it now. Don't wait till later because as soon as that earthquake comes, you're going to want to wish you had it. If you have any other questions or if I can help you with any of your real estate needs, please give me a call. Brian Parsons. Take care.